Hey, so let me show you all workouts list of the HUAWEI Watch Fit SE. So when I open the workouts, at the first we can find all of these workouts, the most popular workouts right here. That's the outdoor run, indoor, walk, outdoor and indoor, cycling, pool swim, open water swim, jump rope, bike and other. Also, I can go for the custom and add all of these customs that are hidden. So take a look, I'm gonna scroll down and you can actually read any of the workout name. And there's over like 100 workouts. So here we've got dances for fun, like for example esports, martial arts, frisbee. And below we will get sports like basketball, soccer, tennis, bowling. There was also the football. Below we got water sports like sailing, surfing. From here we got winter sports. There's ice skating, curling, and extreme like rock climbing, bungee, parkour, and auto racing. And that's all list of the workouts on the HUAWEI Watch Fit SE. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.